Is it not possible that the God we serve know what He's doing with wilderness times in our lives? Why do we go through wilderness times? And when we are in wilderness times, how do I cope with this? We often say, why, God? Why do we have to be in this? I want to show you this part in Deuteronomy 8, verse 2 to 5. Remember how the Lord your God led you all the way in the wilderness these 40 years. Who led them? The Lord your God led them. He said He led them to humble and test you in order to know what was in your heart, whether or not you would keep His commands. Just listen, Lord led them out of Egypt, but the Israelites stayed in the desert longer than when they were supposed to because of disobedience. But even so, God kept on leading them. Why? So that they would humble themselves, so that their hearts would be tested, because what was lying ahead was a lot more challenging than what they were experiencing now. And so He led them through the desert. Verse 3 says, He humbled you, causing you to hunger, and then feeding you with manna. Manna was only in a desert time, which neither you nor your ancestors had known, to teach you that man does not live on bread alone, but on every word that comes from the mouth of the Lord. You need to hear this evening.